Now, don't get me wrong, I love making fancy desserts in the kitchen for you, but sometimes I love to go back to basics, just like the dessert I'm making you here. It's a simple, warm vanilla bean custard with red berries. It's to die for, and it's all about making a quality custard. So we're going to start with our milk. We need to heat up this milk in a pot. So we'll put it into the pot first before we turn it on so it doesn't scald. And we need to add our vanilla. Now I'm going to use a vanilla bean paste. I love it because you'll see the speckles of vanilla throughout the custard. You want to taste the vanilla bean in this, so a good teaspoon into our milk. So give that a bit of a stir. Let that warm up. Let it almost come to the boil and then I'll turn it off. Into this bowl we're going to add 4 egg yolks. To this, I'll add some corn flour because I want this to be a thick custard. And we want to start whisking this. And once that corn flour dissolves into the egg yolks, we can add our caster sugar. I want to give that a really good whisk. It starts to thicken up almost too much, but as you keep working it, it will become light and fluffy. And see how it starts to become quite thick and pale? That's what we want. We want that sugar to dissolve into the egg yolks. And as I say that, that milk has come just up to the boil. Okay. Now I'm going to grab this milk and I'm going to add a small amount at this stage because I don't want these eggs to scramble, so add a little bit. We'll just loosen that up. And then constantly whisk and then add your milk like this, and this will ensure that we don't get scrambled eggs. It's actually quite stable, this, because we've added the corn flour. This now needs to go back into the pot because we need to thicken it. So I get a new pot just to make sure there's no bits in it. We'll turn the heat on onto a medium to low heat. You don't want it to be too hot. We'll pour this mixture in. There we go. And now we need to keep an eye on it. I feel like I have better control when I'm using a wooden spoon, just so you can actually touch the bottom of this and feel if anything is sticking. So just on a medium to low heat, we want to cook this out until it thickens. And you know your custard is ready when it coats the back of your spoon and you can draw a line in the back of the spoon quite easily. You do want this one to be particularly thick because we've added that corn flour. Once that's ready to go, I'm going to remove it, pop it into a bowl, and then we can move on to the next stage. Is cooked. I've placed it into a bowl. I've just placed a little bit of Glad wrap on top of it. I just don't want a skin to form, and it's still warm, which is how I'm going to serve it. There's no reason why you can't serve this cold as well. So on to our berries. I said red berries, so I've got a combination of fresh strawberries and raspberries. And I'm just going to take these smaller ones and just cut them into quarters. And add a few more of these. I always bring my berries out of the fridge an hour before serving them, just so they're not freezing cold, so you really taste the flavour of the berries. Raspberries, we're going to leave them whole. And this is not essential, but if it's for adults, you could add a splash of Cointreau or some orange liqueur. I love the addition of this. So just a little dribble and a small spoonful of icing sugar, and we're just going to lightly macerate them. They don't need to be macerated for a long time. That just means letting them sit in that sugar just to release more of their juices and also really accentuate their flavour. And that little bit of orange liqueur just is fantastic, and you can use all different types of liqueur, even brandy works. And the last component to this dessert is some crème fraîche. So I'm going to whisk this crème fraîche, a generous spoonful into a bowl, and some icing sugar. So kind of like a chantilly, but instead of using thickened cream, I'm using crème fraîche. And I want some more vanilla. I really want to taste the vanilla. So about half a teaspoon this time. And just like thickened cream, we're going to whisk this until we've got soft peaks. All right, this is thickened up nicely, so let's start assembling. We'll put the berries in the bowls first. Oh, Smells fantastic with that Cointreau. Next, I'm going to add our warm vanilla custard. And you can see why custard is just loved, because look at that velvety, silky texture. So you only need a spoonful of it because it's quite rich. And final touches, our crème fraîche with vanilla bean. Just dollop on top. If you want some extra texture here, you could add some chopped hazelnuts, some pistachios. I just like this as is. I just love that warm custard, cold cream, and those fresh berries. See, it's the simple things that are the most delicious. Good quality berries, vanilla, custard and cream. Tick, tick,